Have you ever wondered what real estate investment truly means? It's more than just quick flips and profits. At MarDav Enterprises, they focus on taking neglected homes and restoring them, strengthening neighborhoods, and creating safe spaces for families. In 2001, Maryann Misiolek and her husband Dave started this journey with a vision. They believed in seeing potential where others saw despair. Each house they restore becomes a place for memories to grow. Since their incorporation in 2007, they have transformed countless homes, always remembering that their work is for the community. The difference between flipping and rehabilitation is significant. Flipping is about quick profits, while rehabilitation emphasizes quality and care. Working with family enhances their mission. Maryann's sister Trudy, a realtor, collaborates with them to ensure they meet modern needs while creating beautiful homes. 2 decades in the business taught Maryann that small real estate investors can create significant change. You don't need vast resources, just commitment and a genuine heart for the community. Each renovation is an investment in people and will leave lasting impacts. In closing, small investors hold unique power. If we prioritize people over profit, we can revitalize communities, one home at a time. This is the essence of MarDav Enterprises, and Maryann is proud of the positive impact they make daily.